description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got this is from Otoki. This is their K-pop stars secret. It's a secret spicy beef. That's what we got. It's spicy and it's beefy. We have our vegetable. We have our powder. And we have our line. Ooh. And I believe we are 3 minutes, that's right. So 3 minutes on this one. Oh, I made a little mess. Yeah, that worked already. Yeah, it's Tuesday, what do you call it? It's of the day. Noodle, dropping that in the boil that's over there, and that'll be fun for you to see, a little swirling deal. Yeah, it's kind of funny. So my setup is I've got this phone which shows what's on here, and then I can hit record on there from here, which is great. I really like my setup. The only problem is sometimes it's like when I go to take the pictures at the end, I go over there and I grab my DSLR and I take a couple shots, and then come back, and usually there's a timeout. So once I've hit stop on here for there, then I've got a finite amount of time unless I tap the screen. Kind of like keep it alive. This doesn't smell all that great. I'll be glad when it's done. I don't know, I've got what, 35 minutes. I got time. I think, dude, it only takes you 3 minutes. Why? It's like, well, there's the intro, there's the actual cooking blab, then there's, after that, I've got to try it, I've got to plate it, I've got to let it spin, I've got to tell you about the next episode. So that does end up taking a bit of time. And the next one I'm doing, it's a cup, and it takes 6 to 8 minutes. So I'm going to run it for 7. That's a long time, at least in my math. I'm mathing it. But yeah, I got a bunch of junk done. The wonder of doing. Oh, there's fish in there. There's definitely fish in there. Which I have no problem with fish, but it's you know what it smells like? It smells like a Korean grocery. Yeah. It smells like the back of a Korean grocery store. Which is not a bad smell, actually. It's like, oh, that's what that is. Alright, let's get you in on this. Here is what we have. Notice it's the K-pop stars special thing, and there are little stars in there. That's kind of fun. But yeah, this is a bean thread. Some people will call this a glass noodle. I need a star. Oh, I had one. I just need 1 star. There we go. And there's our broth. Yeah, it's like Korean grocery store flavor. And that's not a bad thing. I like it. It does have a little punchy heat. Oh. A little punch. Not a punch in the eye. And I'm going to use a little bit of... I've got scallion and pepper. As you can see. Sort of. Whoops. Get back here, you son of a... You son of a... And then we've got a little bit of... No, I want you to be a little more supported. That's about as good as I'm getting. Let's have a dabble of crushed red pepper. A little bit of sesame seed. And even though I'm on a time budget, I always have time for doing that. It's okay. I mean, you might like it, you might not. It's kind of interesting. That's where I would put it. It's interesting. One moment. All right, the next one you're going to see is one that came from Poland, sent by a reader in Poland. And this is a Vifon spicy chili. And that's on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.